What if I told you there's a technology that could eliminate the need for banks, transform healthcare privacy, and revolutionize how we verify everything from diamonds to everything legally? Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin anymore. It's reshaping our entire digital world. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we think about data and transactions. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that securely records information across multiple computers. This means that once data is entered, it cannot be altered without the consensus of the network, making it incredibly secure and transparent. Today, blockchain is not just the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's being adopted across various industries, from finance to healthcare, supply chain management, and even voting systems. Understanding blockchain is crucial as we move towards a more digital future. Its potential to enhance security, reduce fraud, and streamline processes is immense. As we explore this technology, we'll uncover how it can drive innovation and create new opportunities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or just curious about the future, grasping the fundamentals of blockchain will empower you to navigate the rapidly changing landscape of technology. So let's dive deeper into the world of blockchain and discover why it's a game changer for our society and economy. Imagine a digital record that can never be altered, tampered with, or deleted. A record that exists simultaneously on thousands of computers around the world. This isn't science fiction, it's blockchain. And it's already changing how we think about trust in the digital age. Blockchain technology is a system that allows digital information to be recorded and shared across a network of computers in a secure and transparent manner. At its core, a blockchain consists of a series of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. These blocks are linked together in chronological order, forming a chain. This structure ensures that every transaction is time-stamped and easily traceable. Data within a blockchain is stored in a decentralized manner, meaning it is not controlled by a single entity. Instead, copies of the blockchain are distributed across multiple nodes in the network. This decentralization enhances security, as it makes it nearly impossible for any single point of failure to compromise the entire system. Another key feature of blockchain is immutability. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted without the consensus of the network participants. This ensures the integrity of the data and builds trust among users. Understanding these core components, blocks, chains, decentralization, and immutability, provides a solid foundation for grasping the transformative potential of blockchain technology. In 2008, an anonymous person or group changed the world with 9 pages of code. Today, that innovation, blockchain, powers a trillion-dollar industry and is being adopted by companies like Walmart, IBM, and even governments worldwide. Let's explore why. Blockchain technology operates through a series of well-defined processes that ensure secure and transparent transactions. When a transaction is initiated, it is broadcasted to a network of computers, known as nodes. These nodes work together to validate the transaction, ensuring that it meets specific criteria, such as verifying the sender's identity and confirming that they have sufficient funds. Once validated, the transaction is grouped with others into a block. This block is then added to the existing chain of blocks, creating a permanent record. Miners play a crucial role in this process. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that validate the transactions and create new blocks. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. To maintain data integrity, blockchain networks employ consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work or proof of stake. These mechanisms require a majority of nodes to agree on the validity of transactions before they are added to the blockchain. This collaborative approach not only secures the network but also prevents fraudulent activities, ensuring that the data remains trustworthy and immutable. Understanding these mechanics is essential for appreciating the power of blockchain technology. What do supply chains, voting systems, and digital currencies have in common? They're all being revolutionized by blockchain technology. A system so secure that some experts call it unhackable. But what exactly makes blockchain so special, and why should you care? Blockchain networks can be categorized into 3 main types: public, private, and consortium blockchains, each serving distinct purposes and use cases. Public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are open to anyone. They allow users to participate in the network without restrictions, promoting transparency and decentralization. However, their openness can lead to slower transaction speeds and higher energy consumption due to the need for extensive validation processes. Private blockchains, on the other hand, are restricted to a specific group of users. Organizations like Hyperledger Fabric are examples of private blockchains, often used for internal processes within companies. They offer greater control and faster transaction speeds, but sacrifice some level of transparency and decentralization. Consortium blockchains sit between public and private models. They are governed by a group of organizations, making them semi-decentralized. An example is R3 Corda, which is used in the financial sector for secure transactions among banks. Consortium blockchains provide a balance of control and transparency, but they can be complex to manage. Understanding these types of blockchains helps in choosing the right network for specific applications, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Every year, billions of dollars are lost to fraud, counterfeiting, and data breaches. What if there was a technology that could drastically reduce these losses while increasing transparency? That's the promise of blockchain, and it's just the beginning of what it can do. Blockchain technology is making significant strides across various industries, showcasing its versatility and potential. In finance, blockchain is revolutionizing transactions by enabling faster, more secure payments. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are prime examples, allowing users to transfer value without intermediaries. These platforms have also paved the way for decentralized finance, DeFi, which offers financial services like lending and trading on blockchain networks. In the supply chain sector, blockchain enhances transparency and traceability. Companies like IBM and Walmart are utilizing blockchain to track products from origin to consumer, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. This level of visibility helps in managing recalls and improving overall efficiency. Healthcare is another area where blockchain is gaining traction. It can securely store patient records, ensuring that data is accessible only to authorized personnel. Projects like MedRec are exploring how blockchain can streamline patient information sharing while maintaining privacy. Looking ahead, emerging trends such as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and blockchain-based identity verification are set to reshape various sectors. As more industries recognize the benefits of blockchain, its applications will continue to expand, driving innovation and efficiency in the digital age. When was the last time you completely trusted a digital transaction? Blockchain technology is redefining trust in our digital world, creating systems where verification doesn't require a middleman, just mathematics and consensus. Despite its transformative potential, blockchain technology faces several challenges that hinder its widespread adoption. One of the most significant issues is scalability. As more users join the network and transaction volumes increase, many blockchains struggle to process transactions quickly. This can lead to delays and higher fees, particularly in public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, where congestion can slow down operations. Energy consumption is another major concern, especially for blockchains that rely on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms. The environmental impact of mining activities has raised questions about the sustainability of these networks, prompting calls for more energy-efficient alternatives. Regulatory challenges also pose hurdles for blockchain adoption. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications, leading to uncertainty in the market. Additionally, public perception can be a barrier, as many people associate blockchain primarily with illicit activities due to its use in cryptocurrencies. To address these limitations, developers are exploring solutions such as Layer 2 scaling solutions, alternative consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, and clearer regulatory frameworks. These innovations aim to enhance blockchain's efficiency, sustainability, and acceptance in various sectors. From finance to healthcare, supply chains to voting systems, blockchain technology is silently transforming industries that affect your daily life. Today we'll demystify this revolutionary technology and reveal why it matters to everyone, not just tech enthusiasts. The future of blockchain technology is poised for remarkable advancements that could reshape various industries. One potential development is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, with blockchain, enabling smarter contracts and automated decision-making processes. This synergy could enhance efficiency and reduce human error in transactions, making blockchain applications even more powerful. In the coming years, we may also see increased adoption of blockchain in sectors like real estate, where it can streamline property transactions and enhance transparency in ownership records. The healthcare industry could benefit from improved patient data management, allowing for seamless sharing of medical records while maintaining privacy and security. Moreover, as governments and organizations work towards clearer regulatory frameworks, we can expect a more stable environment for blockchain innovations. This could lead to broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications, fostering a new wave of digital transformation. As these developments unfold, it's essential for viewers to stay informed about blockchain innovations. By understanding the evolving landscape, individuals and businesses can better position themselves to leverage the opportunities that blockchain technology presents in the future. The journey of blockchain is just beginning, and its potential is limitless. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of blockchain technology, highlighting its significance and potential impact across various industries. We began by defining blockchain and its core components, such as decentralization and immutability. We then delved into how blockchain works, discussing the processes of transaction validation and the roles of miners and nodes in maintaining data integrity. We also examined the different types of blockchain networks, public, private, and consortium, along with their unique advantages and challenges. Real-world applications in finance, supply chain, and healthcare showcased how blockchain is already transforming these sectors. However, we acknowledged the challenges, including scalability issues and regulatory hurdles, that the technology must overcome. Understanding blockchain technology is crucial as it continues to evolve and reshape our digital landscape. We encourage you to explore further resources and related content to deepen your knowledge. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from learning about blockchain. Together, we can stay informed and engaged in this exciting technological revolution. Thank you for watching.